And we are here on Smackdown 15. And here comes the animal.
The animal has been unleashed.
Making his way to the ring from Washington, D.C., weighing in at 290 pounds.
Batista is back with the full grown of hair.
And here comes one of my favorites.
And here comes the mighty earthquake.
Take some pride in their work, but who can blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Quick.
Wow, you are laying it on thick.
And here comes the Texas rattlesnake.
That sound of breaking glass is the prelude to a beatdown.
The Texas rattlesnake is here. And from Victoria, Texas, weighing in at 252 pounds, Stone Cold Steve Austin!
Stone Cold Steve Austin is here. And last but not least, but surely not forgotten.
Now we're talking.
And here he comes.
And representing
It is Disco Inferno.
trip from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 240 pounds, Gilbert! And guys, this looks to be a match with major
Disco Inferno.
implications here in WWE. Could change the entire landscape here.
Here they come.
Let the havoc begin.
Oh.
Havoc is right, Cole. Fists flying everywhere. Everyone trying to do as much damage as they possibly can to force an elimination. The squared circle is basically the Wild West right now. Damage to the knees like damage to the foundation of a house. It makes everything weaker.
Oh.
Snap suplex.
Ooh, DDT.
Oh.
He deflects it right back.
Oh. And a DDT.
Up the turnbuckles.
What's he gonna do?
And Batista gets warded off.
Oh.
Reversal after reversal, proving they did their homework.
Big plans in mind from Austin. Paying it right back with a reversal.
Earthquake.
Averting danger with an
It's
elbow
very
to the
nice to
stomach.
see him back in the ring. But
Find a way to get out of
it's
this.
very questionable how he got the strength to come back.
Set flying. It wasn't the
Whoa.
higher distance that caused the damage.
He
but
tried to
it
jump
certainly
on Stone Cold
contributed.
Steve Austin and break him to pieces.
DDT. Boom, DDT.
Oh.
Got him set up in the corner of the ring.
Reversals, reversals, and more reversals.
Oh.
Turning the tables there.
Oh.
Big boot to the gut.
The clubbing forearm.
This could be the beginning of the end.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh.
Sharpshooter.
Oh.
Find a way out of the sharpshooter.
Oh.
And does just that. Look out.
Oh. Oh.
Stomping away. Bullseye.
Oh.
Oh my God, a clothesline.
he manages to escape it.
And now we see Austin. Stone Cold with a well-timed shot. Oh, he's got him here. He's got him up.
And sidewalk slam. Oh, my God.
The Texas Rattlesnake not looking so deadly after taking that one.
Batista wanted to go hunting. Well, he is now.
Oh, earthquake on the risk of eliminating Batista. Oh. Oh, Disco Inferno's out.
Ripcord, lariat. Vicious right forearm.
Ooh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Batista. What that? Oh.
Big time clothesline. Good grief.
Oh, he trying to knock him down? Oh, he's finally dead. Ooh, a Stone Cold stomps.
Oh man, that's like death by 1,000 cuts.
Batista.
Oh, jarring back elbow. From the top. Down.
Looking for a high risk.
Oh.
From the top.
Oh.
Taking a chance one more time and landing with incredible impact.
Oh.
Veteran instincts for Austin. He's going for it all. Flying. Move down the ladder. Contains the whole complexion of this match.
Boom. Running STO plants him. Nicely done. Vicious right forearm.
Ooh, knee lift.
Closed fist punch to the jaw. That's one way to break up a move.
And he's a step ahead of Austin.
Oh.
Well-placed elbow to break up the maneuver.
Oh. No, press, right there. Bam.
Tag made, double team offense on the horizon here in this matchup. Sending their opponent off the rope. What are we going to see here? Oh, double tackle. Yeah, okay. I see it. And not done yet.
And a slam.
Oh.
Oh, man, a callous attack to the knee.
He can't take any more of this.
Yeah, he's got to dig deep. Blast off.
But meanwhile, here's Austin.
Batista able to ward that off. Elbow puts an end to that. There's some power behind that punch. Handle. Oof. Boom! Ooh. He just barely dodges.
Put into the corner now. Makes him pay with a counter.
Defenses are sharp in this series of reversals.
Planning on what to do next.
Body man right. Turnbuckle.
Austin unprepared for this.
Oh, that is gonna brutally hurt.
Keep the rattlesnake down.
And we can't overlook how devastating that DDT was.
Batista going to the middle row. Oh. Oh, Batista is out of it.
Shoulder tackle. Connected with the knee.
Oh, and a stunner.
Austin got all of it.
Stone Cold Stunner.
What we are seeing from these superstars is almost
Unreal.
And Earthquake is out of here. And Stone Cold Steve Austin won the match.
Like yesterday's trash. Just goes to show you the level of animosity here tonight.
These guys feel no love for each other. Here's another look.
Stone Cold Steve Austin is here.
Here is your winner, Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Stone Cold Steve Austin won the match. And next week on ECW will be next on Live. Next.
I thought all four of them had